boys and girls to Auckland, City of Sails. For your further and continued safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened till the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. Also, please take extra care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved, fall out on you or someone else this evening. As we've turned off the active runway, it's now safe for you to connect to the Twitter sport world and turn on the transmitting functions of your electronic devices. Also, when you finish using any headphones or blankets this evening, you can just leave these on your seat. And before you do leave your seat area, folks, we do ask that you do have a look in those seat pockets in front, check for the surrounding areas, make sure you haven't forgotten anything like credit cards, wallets, cell phones, tablets, children, husbands, although some worse may need to leave them behind. For those of you connecting to other international flights here, please just follow the signs for international transfers, and after you go through security, just check the departure screens for details of your next flight. Ensure you're at the gate 1 hour before your flight is due to depart. Also, if the gates are not open, just pick up the phone and push one of the buttons. Someone should answer, hopefully. E-Gate is available to New Zealand, Australian, Canadian, US and UK e-passport holders aged 12 years and older to self-process through passport control. And for those of you connecting to other domestic ports throughout New Zealand, you must collect your bags here and clear customs. The domestic terminal is closed, however it will reopen at 5 AM tomorrow morning. Well, we do hope you have enjoyed your flight with us today from all of the team. Sorry, I'm just coughing a bit now. And Gemma up the front. We also have Gracie down the back and